Good evening, everyone. So in last class, we have discussed about cloud computing. Today, I'll explain you AWS account creation. Because we are going to practice all Linux commands, AWS services, DevOps tools, everything we do inside AWS account only. So AWS account is mandatory to create for everyone. How to create AWS account? aws.amazon.com. This is the URL. Here you can see create an AWS account. So click on this button. In the first page, this is the first page of creating AWS account. In this page, it is asking to enter root user email address. So here you need to enter your email address, your personal Gmail ID, right? Everybody has your Gmail ID, right? Let's say like if my name is Arvind@gmail.com. This is my email ID. You should not give random email ID. This should be your personal email ID. Then give your name, like write your full name. I'm giving Arvind trainings. So I have given my full name. I have given my email ID. Then click on verify email address. Once you click on verify email address, then you will receive one verification code for your uh, email. Like you will receive one verification code. Log into your Gmail, go to inbox and check. You will find one verification code. Enter that verification code in the next step. See, we sent an email with a verification code to this registered email address. So to this registered email address, whatever the OTP you received, enter here, then click on verify. Once you click on verify button, your email verification will be done successfully. Successfully, email ID verification will be completed. Then you need to set up your password. Enter your root user password, then confirm root user password. Once you confirm your root user password, your password also setup will be done. In the next page, you need to enter your contact information, contact details. And majorly it is asking, how do you plan to use this AWS account? Two options. One is for business purpose or personal work. Business means if you are using this account for office use, like if you are creating this account for your project purpose, then in office, in the organization, we generally create business account. But this is not a business account. We are creating this AWS account for learning AWS, for practicing AWS, right? So choose personal for your own projects. Then enter your contact details like your full name, your mobile number. If you are in India, enter India number. If you're in USA, enter USA number. The number should be reachable to you. That's it. So enter your complete address wherever you are staying. If you are staying in India, then enter India details. US means US details. Enter the details. Then in the next page, it is asking you to enter credit card or debit card details. The credit card should be either Visa card or MasterCard or American Express. It will accept either of these cards. The first priority is always use credit card. If at all you don't have credit card, then try with debit card, because sometimes debit card will not be activated immediately. So the first priority is credit card. Enter all the card details like expiry date, month, year, card holder name, whatever the name is there on your card, enter that name, CVV number, choose your billing address. Then, do you have a PAN card? It is asking. Yes. Select yes and click on verify and continue. Once you click on verify and continue, you will receive one OTP. It will deduct 2 rupees from your card. You need to enter the OTP from your mobile. Once you click on submit, it will deduct 2 rupees from your card. Why? Means to verify whether this account belongs to you or not. I mean, this credit card belongs to you or not. This is to verify your card details. Once your card is successfully verified, next, you need to enter these details, identity details. Confirm your identity. Yes, my name is Aravind Trainings, as I have given in the first page, it is Aravind Trainings. Then primary purpose of account registration. Why I am creating this account? For personal use. If you click on this drop down, you will see many options, 4-5 options. From them, you choose personal use. And ownership type. Who is owning this account? Individual. Only Aravind is owning this account. Like whatever I'm creating. Not owning by the business or like partnership. No. It is owned by myself only. This is my personal account. So choose individual. Then what type of evidence document you are attaching. Like I want to enter the PAN card details. So choose PAN card from this drop down and enter your PAN card details, PAN card number. Select the checkbox. This is to confirm your identity. And here they're asking to enter your mobile number wherever you are staying, that country code, mobile number you need to enter. Why? Because they want to confirm your mobile number. If you're selecting text message, then they will send one OTP. You need to enter that OTP. If you select voice call, you will receive one phone call, one automated phone call, saying that if you are want to activate this account, press 1, like that. You will receive one automated call. Uh, 1 second. Guys, don't send your mobile number to me. Send it to Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay. So better choose text message and enter your phone number so that you will receive one OTP. Enter that OTP for your verification. Then finally, it is asking to select a support plan. If you choose, see, there are 3 types of support plans. One is basic support plan, developer support plan, and the other one is business support plan. Out of these, basic support is for free of cost. Developer support, you need to pay $29 per month. If you want business support, you need to pay $100 per month. What is this support? See, in AWS, if you have any issues, you need to contact AWS support team. What kind of support you need? If you need any technical related support, developer support, so you need to pay every month $29. If you need business support, you need to pay $100. If you need basic support like account related issues, account activation, these kind of issues, you will get it for free. That support will be for free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. Then choose basic support and click on complete sign up. Once you click on complete sign up, your account will be registered successfully and you can log into your AWS account. Once you click on go to the AWS management console, it will ask you to enter your email address. See, sign in page. This is the sign in page. You can enter your registered email ID, click on next, then it will ask you to enter password and you can log into your AWS account. So these are the different pages, different slides for creating your AWS account. I have given you unmute option. Any doubts in creating AWS account?
I have small doubt. Yeah, I don't have the credit card. I have the debit card.
Okay.
Yeah, but thing is that while entering the card details, there is we are giving CVV number.
Yes.
If any extra cost, Amazon will directly without our permission, they will debit the amount.
They are not even deducting 2 rupees without our permission. If you enter OTP only, the amount is deducting. Yes or no?
About this. Yes.
So they will not deduct automatically, even though you enter. See, I have entered all the details, but without my authentication, is it deducting these 2 rupees?
Yeah, we will get to OTP.
Yes. So they will not deduct. You no need to worry. Yes. Still any other questions? This is a simple 5 minutes process, but you need to keep your PAN card ready, credit card, keep these things ready. Once you open your AWS Amazon, aws.amazon.com, this website, aws.amazon.com website, it will show and create an AWS account button. Once you click on this button, then you need to enter your registered email address, then your full name, verify. You need to do verification of your email, like by entering that OTP, then set up password, then enter this account is like personal and your full name, your number, your address, then credit card details, enter OTP for card verification, then enter PAN card details, enter your mobile number for verifying your mobile number, and basic support. Click on basic support, then complete sign up. That's it. Account is created. Is it simple or no? Just like how you create your Gmail, simple process. But the additional thing is you need to enter your card details. So by Monday, you should be ready with your AWS account, because we are going to create our infrastructure. We are going to practice Linux commands. Everything we'll do in AWS account only. So if you delay in creating AWS account, you have to wait for practice. You cannot practice. That's the reason. Okay, then next. Once AWS account is created, now I'll show you how to log in to AWS account. Click on sign in. Wait, I already registered. I already signed in. Okay, click on sign in now. We have created one AWS account, right? That AWS account is a root account. So click on this, sign in using root user email. There are two options: sign in as IAM user, sign in as root user. We have created a root account, so you need to choose this option, sign in using root user email. What is IAM? All this I'll explain in a separate session. This is a separate session for IAM. So you can see two options: sign in as a root user, sign in as IAM user. Always choose root user because we have created a root account. Then enter your email address, enter your password. That's it. I have logged into my AWS account. What is my AWS account name? Can you see my AWS account name?
Aravind Training.
Yes. So here is my account name, you can see. And right now I am in Tokyo region. There are 34 regions. Amazon has 34 data centers, 34 different regions where it has set up their data centers. Right now I am in Tokyo. Whatever I do here, if I create a storage, if I create a database, if I launch server, everything will be created in Tokyo region's data center. No, I don't want to create in Tokyo. I have a requirement to create in North Virginia. Then click on this drop down. It will show you list of regions. My requirement is to create the infrastructure in North Virginia, right? So click on North Virginia. Now my console will change to North Virginia region. Now I am inside North Virginia region. Now whatever I do here, that changes will be reflected in North Virginia's data center. If I create a storage, that will be created in North Virginia. If I create database that will be created in North Virginia. Everything, whatever I do, that will be done in North Virginia. If you want to switch to Tokyo again, just drop down, click on the region, select the region. That's it. And if you want to sign out from this account, click here. If you click this, like you will be logging out of this AWS account. This is my account ID. Each account ID will be unique. My account ID is 0582 something. This is my account ID, this is my account name, and this is the region where I am. And here is the settings option to change the theme of your console. Right, by default, it is light. If you click here, it will become dark. This is like browser default light. This is the language. What language you want to see the console, like English, Spanish, French, different. Right. AWS itself means Amazon Web Services. Amazon is providing us plenty of services through a platform called AWS. What are they? If you click this services button, you can see all the services. In the left side, you can see, right, analytics. These all services belongs to analytics. Athena, AWS Clean Rooms, Cloud Search, Data Exchange, Amazon Data Firehose, all these services belongs to analytics. Each one is a service. Again, under blockchain, there is only one service. Under business applications, we have many services like AWS App Fabric, AWS Amazon Kime SDK, like end user messaging, Amazon Pinpoint. If you click on containers, like container related services, ECR, Elastic Container Registry, Elastic Container Service, Elastic Kubernetes Service. If you click on database, these are all database related services. In Amazon, they are providing 200 plus services through AWS platform. These are all the services, around 200 plus services out there. You no need to learn all these 200 services. Not only you, nobody will learn 200 services because nobody will use all the services in their project. Hardly 10 to 15 services, max to max. Max to max, this 10 to 15 services only we will be using in our project. In some projects, only 5 services, the requirement will be. So nobody will learn the 200 services. So whatever the major services, important services, like basic services, mandatory services, important services, those are covered in our course curriculum. So here I'll be teaching you around 15 services, 15 plus services in our AWS. If you want to search for any service, let's say I want to search for EC2 service, use this search box, EC2. See, this is an EC2 service. Now I want to search for S3 service. Type here S3. So this is an S3 storage related service. I want to search for RDS service. RDS. This is a database related service, RDS. If I click on this, it will open that service. This is RDS dashboard. Amazon RDS dashboard. This is search box to search for services. And this is the list. You can see all the services here, list of services, storage related, robotics related, satellite related, machine learning services, media related services, migration and transfer services, game development services. Many services are there. Which region you will suggest to use for the class practice? See, you can choose any region. There is no restriction, but Tokyo is the default region. Like once you create your AWS account, by default, you will be redirecting to Tokyo. Some accounts will redirect to direct North Virginia. So I'll suggest better to use North Virginia or Tokyo. Why I'm suggesting North Virginia? Because Amazon company has data centers in 34 regions. What is the first region? I have explained in the class. Anyone remember? What is the first Amazon data center? Where is the first region? North Virginia. If they launch any new service, they'll start introducing that service from North Virginia data center only. And the price also somewhat less in North Virginia. That's why choose North Virginia, or Tokyo also fine. Mumbai also okay. But Mumbai sometimes some issues, some compatible issues, something will be there. So better choose North Virginia or Tokyo. But stick to only one region for practicing. Like don't create some infrastructure in Tokyo, some infra in Mumbai, some infra in London, some infra in Sydney, some Melbourne. Don't do like that, because you will forget what infra you have created and where you created. Unnecessarily billing will be generated more. North Virginia, I have a doubt. What do you mean by that? Okay, and whatever the account we have created, this is AWS free tier account. This is AWS free tier account. Free cloud computing services. We have chosen this category, 12 months free category. So what is meant by free tier account? Free tier account means generally, if you want to buy a car, what we do? We do first test drive. You go to showroom, same model, you will do once test drive. If you're satisfied with that features, driving, everything, then you will buy the car. Similarly, Amazon companies also, they are giving this free tier account to use their AWS services. If you're satisfied with this AWS services, features, everything, then you can create a business account and you can use that in your project. You can use AWS cloud for your project. So that's why they're giving this free tier account. In this free tier, with some limitations they are giving. See, this EC2 service, you are getting maximum 750 hours only free per month. Per month, if you exceed 750 hours, then they will start generating the bills. Let's see, in my case, I'm going to EC2. EC2 is like for launching virtual machines. You can see here, till now, I'm utilized 12% only, I have utilized. Still 757 hours are remaining in this September month. Today is September 13th, right? Till September 30. For these 30 days, total they have given me 750 hours. Last 13 days I have utilized this much. Rest of the 17 days I can still use this much. If I exceed this 657 hours, then the billing will be start generated for this EC2. Similarly, for storage also, they have given 30 GB storage for free. If you exceed 30 GB storage, then they'll start generating the bills. You can see how much limitations like there. Like S3, they are giving 5 GB only limit. For RDS database, 750 hours per month. Open search service, 750 hours. Like these are the limitations they are giving for free direct. You no need to worry about this. But whenever you create an infrastructure, once your practice is done, better to stop the services or terminate the services. You practice, once your practice is done, delete everything. Again, next day, when you practice, you create, after completing, you delete. Again, create, practice, then delete. So that you can avoid less billing. Way to check this billing, like how much billing you got. Go to here, billing and cost management, click on this. It will open billing page now. This billing is global. That means billings are not generated for one particular region. You see here, it is global. Means overall, it will generate the bills for overall your AWS account. So you might create some infra in Mumbai, you might create some infra in North Virginia. Overall, what services you used for entire thing, it will generate the bills. So that's why it is a global service, like global. Billing is a global thing. I want to see the bills. For this September month till now, for the last 13 days, I got around $0.75 billing. I have two payment dues. So this is July month invoice. Billing period is July. How much bill I received? Nine rupees. This is the invoice issued on August 2nd. On August 2nd, I received this bill for the July month. On September 2nd, I have received this bill for August month, for August 2024 billing period. How much bill is generated for August? 542 rupees. So total 552 pending amount is there. I have to pay this amount. If I don't pay this amount, they'll see for 1 month or 2 months more and they'll suspend my account. See, to avoid suspension of your AWS account, pay the full amount immediately, they are telling. If you made a payment recently, it will appear in the payments page in 5 to 7 business days. If you don't pay, they will suspend your account. So let them suspend, no problem. Because we have to practice. If you practice, sometimes you will get the bills because of you forgot to delete the infrastructure. You no need to pay anything because they will not deduct the amount forcefully. They will ask you, if you pay, okay. If you don't pay, they'll suspend their account. Let them suspend. You can create one more account with new email ID, with new credit card. You can create one more account. You can see the bills also, like for what they are billing, for which service they are charging, how much. If you look at here, charges by service. For September month, I got $0.64. I can check for which service, how much bill is generated. For KMS service, $0.62 bill is generated. For RDS service, $0.02. For even for KMS service, in which region the bill is generated? Expand. See, for in Tokyo region, I used KMS service. That's why it generated $0.62. Okay. For billing period, August. Let's go to August. In August month, I got $6.47, almost 520 rupees. 8,648, almost 500 change. Here I can see this services. For EC2 service, I got almost $3.96. In Tokyo region, $3.96. For North Virginia, $0. I can expand Tokyo. In Tokyo, for NAT gateway only, especially for NAT gateway service, I have utilized 62 hours. For the 62 hours, they generated $3.84 billing. 62 hours means I think 3 days only. For just 3 days, they charged this much. I forgot to delete. So that's the reason. So if you create any infrastructure, you have to delete them after practicing. Otherwise, bills are generated. Till here, any questions? I think I have given unmute option. Okay, if no doubts, fine then. Next. Okay, let me show you how the bills will generate. If you see, they'll send you mails every month. Once the invoice is generated, see open invoice, it is asking that total due 28,000. For the month of February, I got 1,167 rupees, and for the month of March, I received almost 27,000 rupees billing. Total 28,000. I did not pay this bill, so they have suspended my account. I created one more. This is last year's. Like for every 3-4 months, I'll create a new account, new AWS account. One of my students, he got almost 3,50,000 rupees billing. He did not pay even 1 rupee also. What they can suspend only. So that means you unnecessarily don't create the infrastructure. I mean, if you create, once your practice is done, delete. So try to reduce the bills. Don't create the bills unnecessary.
Won't they charge your credit card?
It's not on credit card. They'll generate the bills. You can pay the bill through credit card, debit card, your wish. If you want to pay that too. If you don't pay, they will suspend your account. Okay. Renuka, yeah, I have unmuted everyone. Can you give the quick overview once? What do you mean by overview? Like overview of what, Bharati? So Bharati or Sushila? You can unmute and talk. We are not able to unmute. Why? Okay, what about now?
I am not able to see the general chat.
Okay, no need to see the general chat. Just tell me, what is your query?
Aravind, can I?
Yes.
At the starting, I have a doubt. For suppose I have started a process and I have created all the infrastructure in Tokyo region. Okay, for 2 or 3 months I worked on it, and I shifted that infrastructure to some Mumbai location. Am I audible, Aravind?
Okay, continue.
I shifted that to Mumbai location and I started working on it for 2 to 3 months. I would like to know whether all the data will be saved in Mumbai region also, before and after.
If you don't delete your infrastructure, that will be as it is. It remains as it is.
Whatever I saved in the Tokyo region, it is also recollected in Mumbai region, or I will go to Tokyo region and I have to collect the information from there.
If you create something in Tokyo, that will be in Tokyo only.
It cannot be shifted.
No, not cannot be shifted. If you create something in Tokyo, that will be in Tokyo only. If you want the same infrastructure in Mumbai also, then you need to create same infra, like you need to replicate whatever you did in Tokyo in Mumbai. Then you have one more copy in Mumbai. Okay?
Okay. I have to recreate once again.
Yes, correct.
Sir, at the starting of the section, you stated that we can attach 2 to 3 locations once. I mean, when I'm registered on Tokyo region, and I can have a duplicate copy on Mumbai and somewhere else also. I can put data. Are you understanding my point?
You continue. You finish your point.
Yeah. You at the early of the class at the session when you stated that I'm creating my infrastructure in Tokyo, and I can have a duplicate on another locations also. Due to any natural emergency in Tokyo region, I have a safe site there also.
Have you joined morning session?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Yes, it is possible here also. How can we select here?
See, the same thing, same answer, whatever I said previously. If you create something in Mumbai, that will be sticked in Mumbai only. It will not copy automatically, or it will not replicate in all other regions. You need to do.
Can I ask in Telugu?
Yeah, you can ask.
మీరు క్లాసెస్ సెషన్ 1 లో చెప్పారు కదా, ఏంటంటే మనం ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఏదో ఒక లొకేషన్ లోనే మొత్తం అంతా చేయాలి, ఒక్కొక్క దగ్గర చేయడానికి అవ్వదు. ఒక దగ్గర చేసినప్పుడు మనం క్లయింట్ ని అడుగుతాము, ఇంకొక చోట కూడా ఉంటే మనకి ఇన్ కేస్ ఏదైనా న్యాచురల్ కెలామిటీ అయ్యి ఈ సెక్షన్ పాడైతే అక్కడి నుంచి మనం రిట్రీవ్ చేసుకోవడానికి అవుతుంది అని. హలో, అప్పుడు ఏంటి ప్రాసెస్ సేమ్ ఇక్కడ మనము 2 సార్లు క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలా, లేకపోతే ఒకేసారి 2-3 ఆప్షన్స్ మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి అవుతుందా?
See, it depends on client, because see, let's say I want to create 100 servers in Mumbai. For that, assume I'm getting $6.47 billing per month for 100
Mm.
servers. If you create same 100 servers in Tokyo, again you will get 6.47. So monthly billing around $13. If you create 100 servers in North Virginia, again 6.47. So you need to pay $18 per month. Who is going to pay the bills?
Client.
So it is depending on client. It cannot be done
Client
according to your wish. If client approves, if client is okay, then only you need to do. You need to inform to client before only. So this is the case. You want to create the infrastructure only in one region or multiple regions. If he's a non-technical, you need to explain technically, non-technically, everything as he should understand, because ultimately he's going to pay the bills. You cannot create the infra according to your wish.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes. But in a country.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, please. Next
Yeah.
question.
Yes, Arvind. Yeah. You can show us, right, in class, we're practicing that.
Yeah, I will show everything. I'll show you practically.
How to delete and all practice.
See, if I'm showing you something how to create,
Hmm.
deletion is simple. I'll show you deletion also.
Suppose one AWS account, lot of bill generated, and we have the account is suspended, and with same name we can generate, we can sign up to Amazon account, create
With,
an Amazon account.
see, with the same name, you can create multiple accounts, but with same email ID, you cannot create.
Oh.
Okay, email ID, what it will say, this email is already used. It will throw an error while you sign up once again.
And card details, different card details if we give, then
Yes, you need to give different card details. Otherwise, activation problem will be there.
but email is different, and same person card details. Okay.
Different. See, somebody asked how to delete, so I'll show you. Once, see, I have a server, want to delete, terminate or delete. Simple, deletion is. Creation is difficult, but deletion is simple. Okay, I'll show you everything. You don't need to worry. Still any questions in AWS account creation?
Hello, sir. For account creation, do we need to add PAN number compulsory?
Yes, nowadays it became mandatory, like from last 1 year onwards. Earlier they did not ask PAN card number, but from
Okay.
last 1 year they're asking. You try
Okay,
without
then
giving PAN card once. Even I also tried, but it became mandatory. They're asking. You try without giving PAN card. Verify once if you can proceed to the next page or not, and check.
okay, then I will check. Thank
If
you.
we are a US person, will we need to provide the same information?
You need to choose something different. See, if you don't have PAN cards, there are different options. Here, can you see this page? This is India document type. If you belongs to different country, in the previous page it asks, right, address. Let's see here, address, country code. I have chosen India, so Indian documents I need to attach. If you are in US, some in US documents they'll ask. Okay. Fine. Next one is support. In Flipkart or Amazon or Myntra, whatever, you ordered something. Let's say you have ordered one TV. They said they will deliver in 2 days, but it's been 3 days since the item is not delivered. What you will do? Will you go to any Flipkart store or Flipkart data hub? What you will do?
We contact the Flipkart support customers.
Because that is the only point of contact for us. You'll contact to customer support. You
Support.
will do phone call based on your registered mobile number. They can see your order items. When did you purchase that? Everything. They'll see all the details. They'll help you. Okay, sir, don't worry. We will raise your concern issue to the next level team. Order will be delivered as soon as possible. Like they'll guide you, they'll help you, and your issue will be resolved, right? Similarly, in AWS account also, in AWS cloud, if you have any issues, technical related, non-technical related, if you need any help, you're trying to create some infrastructure, you don't know how to create that, you want to create some database in Tokyo, you don't know how to create that, you're facing some issues in billing related, you're facing issues in account activation, any kind of issues, you can contact to customer support. For that, click on this question mark, support center. Here, create case. Case means ticket. Create ticket. You need to select. Choose the related issue for your case. Is it account and billing related or is it technical related? We have created our account for basic support plan, so you cannot choose for technical. Right. You need to, this is a paid version. So I don't have access for this technical. I need to upgrade my account. I need to pay something. So let's go for account and billing related. Service. What issue you have? Is it any account related or account activation related, billing related, cloud institute? Like you can choose your issue type, category. Like you want to change your account details, cancel the account or other account issues. You want to restore ownership transfer, security related, unable to access my account. Choose something. Then next step. Give the subject. Account. What did I choose? Account. What I have selected? You want to remember? Change account details. Yeah, describe about your issue, account details. I want to change. And if you have any attachments, you can attach like photos or videos, anything. Then next step. How to contact to the support team using web. Web means they will respond to you within 24 hours to your email ID. Whatever the registered email ID is there, to that email ID, they'll send you one reply. If you choose phone, you need to enter your phone number. If you are in India, India number, US means US number, they'll call to that number. They'll talk to you. If you choose chat, one live chat session will be open. So once I click on this submit button, one live chat session will be open. One AWS associate will come live to talk with me, to chat with me. An associate will be with you shortly. Brent has joined. See, these people might be from any country, not only India. Like they can be from any country. They will come to the live. See, these people are like purely technical persons. Hello, my name is Brent, and I am here to assist you. Please share your name, please, sir. Can I change my account name? If yes, how to do that? Don't create customer support. Don't create ticket for silly reasons. If you have any severe issue, like if you don't know how to do that, then only you create a customer chat. No, they'll reply. They'll give one solution. If there is any documentation, they'll share the documentation. I can follow that and I can do. If something has to be done from their end, they will also do. So this is how we create a customer's ticket, customer chat ticket. Any doubts? Can you able to unmute and talk? Any questions? Okay, no doubts. Fine. So I want to end this chat session. I'm closing this. So hello Arvind, you can update your account name through this link. See, they have given the link where I can update it. Sure. This is how they'll help you if you have any issues, anything. Okay. That's all for today. Before next session, all of you create your AWS accounts. We'll start practicing then. That's all. Any doubts?
Here we are taking the different classes, right? You will suggest us any LinkedIn profile setup, like we are running the.
You're not audible clearly. Can you speak loud?
We are taking the session in AWS DevOps, right? You can showcase us how to set up your LinkedIn, like we are like uh, like set up of the. But after finishing the course, it will first do.
Can anyone explain what he's saying? Is it audible for other?
No, sir.
Yes or no? If yes, then can someone tell me what he's saying?
Now, is it audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell-
Oh, yeah. Actually, what I must know. See, now we are learning the AWS and DevOps, right? Is there any, like setup of the LinkedIn and for after finishing the course, it help us to get it in the job market easy for us. Why we need this kind of setup?
Setup, what setup?
Means like we are learning the Aravind like AWS and DevOps, like showcasing the.
Do you know Telugu?
Yes.
Okay, ask me in Telugu.
ఏమంటే ఇప్పుడు లింక్డ్ఇన్ కోర్స్ అంతా నేర్చుకుంటాం. కోర్స్
LinkedIn.
నేర్చుకుని ఈ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకుంది ఎంత అంటే మేము ఇట్లా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాము అంత ఒక ఐడియాలజీగా లింక్డ్ఇన్ లో ఇప్పటికప్పుడు రోజు పోస్ట్ చేసి ఈ రోజు పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఏమంటే
LinkedIn పోస్ట్ చేస్తారా?
అంటే అవేర్నెస్
అవేర్నెస్ ఎందుకు?
అంటే ఏం లేదు అవి ఈ రోజు ఇది నేర్చుకున్నాం అంటే ఎట్లా ఎట్లా అని చెప్పేసి ఎవరైతే అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎవరైతే లింక్డ్ఇన్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటారు కదా
Hmm.
వాళ్ళు మన అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడానికి ఈజీగా 2 months ఫినిష్ అయినాక అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడానికి కొన్ని జాబ్స్ ఉపయోగపడతాయి ఫ్యూచర్.
No use. No use. See, if you are directly telling yourself, I am learning daily this topic, I am learning from so and so institute, why they will select you? Because you yourself saying you don't have any experience. Think logically. Do you have any hands-on experience? You yourself telling, no, I don't have any hands-on experience. I did not work on any project. I am learning these topics daily in this institute. Why they will select you?
Basically, some YouTubers will say this, keep on saying that why when you close your login, then you post it on time basis, then people knows about you and they will directly come to you. Like that, that's what I am asking you, any kind of services.
I think I have given the explanation now.
Yeah, I got it.
Next, any other questions? Have you all registered for this course? Whoever joined now? Anyone
Yes.
who did not register? Anybody is there here? Without enrolling, like just to attend, just to listen how the demo was. Anyone join like that?
Yes, sir. It's me.
Okay. Fine.
Aravind, can I ask one question? Yeah. Currently, I am in non-IT. Okay. I am working in e-commerce executive, so order processing. I have 9 years experience. This course, it can help me to get it in the job. Replace if
Yes.
I so
You can keep up to 3 years of experience in AWS as well as DevOps. And you can tell them like I am working on AWS and DevOps from last 3 years in this company. And you can start your interview. Like you should not tell like I'm working in non-IT. I learned AWS and DevOps in an institute. I learned very well in that institute. They have explained me a lot. I learned a lot. You can ask me any question. No, it should not be like that. You should tell like you are having real-time experience. You have hands-on experience, like you are working in AWS DevOps from last 3 years. In that approach only, your interview should be. And you can clear that. Why I'm telling only 3 years, because if you keep like more than 3, it will be tough for you only. The interview will become tough. You cannot manage also. There's a reason 3 is sufficient.
And here we are doing e-commerce project, I think.
We are doing, yes. I think you were the one, right? You asked me 3-4 times, are we doing this project or doing?
Yeah, one time I was connected. That time there is no signal. I didn't get it.
Okay, next questions.
Hello. Yes, sir, this is Srinivas.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is my first day, so I came for tutorial only. I'm from pharmacy background.
Okay.
Okay, I don't have any coding knowledge or any I don't have anything about this course also.
Okay. Which year passed out?
So I passed out my B pharmacy in 2012 and I did my MSc healthcare management in 2015.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to switch to IT, then you need to get
Yeah.
some document. You need to meet consultants and get the documents, like you are having some experience, 3 years of experience in IT, because you cannot try as a fresher. If you try as a
Yeah.
fresher, they will ask your, first of all, you will not get the calls, because why
Mhm.
they hire you instead of a recent 24 passed out, why they want to hire 2012 or 2015 students?
Yeah.
So they will not select you, first of all, if you try as a fresher. So better to go as a experienced candidate. If you are going as an experienced candidate,
Mhm.
they will not ask your pharmacy or BTech or degree certificates, whatever your
Okay.
they will not ask your certifications. They'll only see your experience letter, relieving letter, pay slips, these documents. So these documents you can get from any genuine consultancy, or you can contact our admin team. They can guide you.
Okay. Yeah, but I don't have experience. So if I learn this course, but can I manage that only like a 3 years experience?
it depends on two things. How
Yeah.
good you are practicing and how well I'm teaching, like whether my class is understanding or not. Yeah. If you're understanding, then how well you're practicing daily. Both. I should
Mhm.
explain you nicely and you should also practice.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. But how many hours I need to spend to if I want to really
Daily
want
2
to
hours.
good in it? Daily
Daily.
2 hours.
Yes. Definitely 2 hours daily you need to practice. See,
Thank you.
some people 1 hour is also enough for some people if
Yeah,
they
yeah.
grasp very soon. It depends on you also again.
Mhm. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, Lavanya, what is your
Yeah,
question?
hi, Aravind. Good evening. So I have overall 9+ years of experience into non-IT. I work for Genpact and Johnson Controls and HDFC Bank. So I have 1 year of gap, Arvind. So the duration, may I know the duration for this course?
2 months.
2 months. So is it possible to, wrap up in 1 month instead of 2 months? Is there any option?
You want to finish this in 1 month?
Yes, because I'm not working, I can spend
Yes.
6 hours per day.
Yes, we can. I'll tell you one more option. You can contact to admin team. They'll add me into the conference. I'll explain you what is that option.
Okay, and one more thing, like instead of going to this recordings, it's better to provide me a live sessions, like at least 2 hours per day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a daily live sessions are there, right? You can join live sessions only daily.
Okay.
If you miss live classes, then you can go through the recorded videos.
Okay, sounds good. And also, any other any referrals you people will provide, because as they mentioned, like you are already a working professional. So instead of we applying directly from Naukri or LinkedIn, any other referrals from your end, your team end?
See, from our end, referrals means like that will be like very, very less. To be frank, like very less, because in my team, like already I'm working, right? So if there are any referrals, like hardly maybe once in a 2 months or like that, they'll inform us. So I cannot give you hope like I will refer you, I'll give you job opportunities. I don't want to give that hopes.
Okay.
Because plenty of students, daily 3 batches I'll take, many students. That's the reason. Okay.
Okay.
Still
Okay.
yes, people, you want to ask something?
No, sorry, that's all right.
Okay then. Thank you all. We'll meet on Monday.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.